it going, guys? It's Karthik, and today I'm going to be installing some new corner lights, the clear ones on my E46 right here. The ones I have right now, the yellow ones do look kind of cool, and I mess with them, but they are kind of messed up. They're fogged up, and then the one on the other side, I'll show you guys in a second, is actually completely broken, which honestly I feel like is the best looking one, but it's definitely not like ideal. So we got some clear ones. I'm gonna give this a shot. It was about 30 bucks on eBay. And if I don't mess with it, you can always change them back down the line in a few months to yellow again. But you know, at least with these, it's easy and cheap to switch around. And I did also change the headlight covers, and that was very easy to do. I'll show you guys how I did that while I do this as well, because I did see another tutorial on YouTube, and the dude dead ass took like the whole headlight out and like had to unscrew a bunch of stuff and needed like a deep socket wrench, and you don't need all those tools. You deadass need a flathead screwdriver and normal screwdriver. But yeah, let's go ahead and do it. All right, so this right here is the other side I was talking about. You can see it's a little bit broken, but tell me that does not look cool, like the color popping out and stuff. But yeah, gotta get this dent fixed. But other than that, the paint is hella nice, yo. By the way, this car is like 2 months older than me, but you know, the new headlight covers and stuff, like, pretty solid. Let's pop the hood. So the hood's up, and first thing that we had to do is get rid of these weather clips. So there's just some that you have to push up with your fingers. There's two that just slide out right here. You know, you could get brand new ones of these for like 20 bucks as well. It's like the same price as the covers and these headlights. Mine on this side is pretty good. That side's pretty deteriorated, but honestly, it rains like 5 days a year, or it has recently in California. So we've been all right without having to worry about this. Right here, you can see some deterioration. This thing is hanging on to dear life for with hopes and dreams. It's not using any mechanics and physics right there. And let me just show you quickly how the headlight covers are and how easy they are. So first thing you do is you push this tab right here and kind of pull, and you'll feel this come out a little bit. And you'll do kind of the same thing over here, and you'll feel it come out, and bam, right there. Pretty solid, pretty neat. And this one, I'm gonna have to put the phone down for a second, but you just literally have to, oh, I'm good. Just give it some vibrations, it'll be out. The other side, for some reason on my car, there's like something that like is here, and there's like a wire connected to it. I think it's like this thing, the release plate. I don't know what to do with it. I kind of just held it. He came this far. I kind of held it like this far with my hand while I got rid of the, I'll show you guys, but I was able to do it while just holding it here, taking the headlight cover out, and then just letting it pop back. Well, for this one, you just pull that, push this down, push this down, push this down. And if you do that like with one hand while like kind of pulling with the other hand, it'll come off. Pop the new one, close. That's it for that. But now, let's get into the corner lights. What we have here is this screw in this gap that connects the fender to the hood. Hood bay, sorry. And so it's normally, it's in a white plastic piece. Very convenient because it helps it from not falling into some hard place. But I want to unscrew it a little bit and pull it out. The only thing that's holding it into the car is that plastic U right there, and I guess the light itself, like with the wire. I mean, I'm guessing that's why mine broke off, but I had to heat shrink it. It's good now. All right, so it's a half screw. Want it kind of pointing in this direction, go like that, or just mess around with it until it works. All right, and now we test the fitment. Just hold on to the wire here. See if it fits. Bam. Alright, so at first it didn't fit completely right, but after a little bit of kind of fidgeting around with it and nudging it, not being too rough on the car at all, but just kind of giving it some patience and hope that it would fit, you know, molding it, and it ended up sitting right. It does give a different kind of look on the car when you compare it to the yellow side. I think it's something that's gonna have to grow on me, but maybe once we get both of them on and check it, it'll have a different vibe. We'll see. So now, as I'm getting started on the second side, I realized I didn't even need a flathead screwdriver, and I didn't even need to really take that trim piece out right there, you know. So if you didn't do that yet, don't, and just give it a shot. I'm gonna give it a shot on this side, just because that's kind of cool. And if you have a silver car, you know, it's kind of hard to find, especially like the proper color. One of those clips breaks. So if you don't need to take something out in this car, it's really important not to. It's not about cutting corners. It's about preserving the crappy BMW plastic. That one was a little harder than the other side, but not too bad. And we didn't need to take the plastic trim piece off already. So now we're just gonna unplug this. They don't really need to unplug it because you saw how easy it was to unscrew. The main reason it's smart to take the light off first is because, you know, given how dirty or dusty it is, you don't know how stuck your thing could be, like this one. For my other side, it was easy. This one seems a little more of a struggle to get the bulb off. You don't want to have to be stuck doing that with the wire attached, because it could rip off and you're going to have to end up with some heat shrink like I do on the other side, which is kind of annoying to deal with, but it's not that hard to do with. Plug back in. Just light up that U pin. That. And this one's fitment looks a lot better off of rip. But yeah. Just give that a little tighten. And now we can kind of make it look proper. There we go. The fitment on that looks decent. I think I need a little adjustment down here. Yeah. That's not bad at all. Hey, I'm actually liking how this is looking from the side. Let's kind of see the front side angle. Yo! Not bad at all. I'm gonna have to close the hood and see the final result. But before I do that, I did have to adjust my hood latches just the other week. And so I think it's important for this tip as well. Always check your oil level before you close your hood, because you don't want to keep on opening and closing. But yeah. The only thing that would fry me right now is if these trim pieces don't fit. Well, we just gonna, oh fuck, we just gonna hope they do. Yeah. Some convincing to go below. Got this back, not too shabby, not too shabby. Leather trim. safely installed. Second weather trim. Bam, bam, bam. Oh shit. Nothing broke, but gotta be careful. Bam. Bam. Oh yo, I'm recording this the video, or I'm recording this the day after Bam from the Miami Heat beat Kobe's record. Yo, that was outrageous. But, check the oil level real quick. I'm low. I'm like in the low range. I'll fill that up later. Or should I fill it up now? I'll fill it up now. Alright, so this is the end result right here. Honestly, not bad at all. Not bad at all. I'm gonna have to take it outside and see, out the garage. But I'm gonna let the oil drain down a little bit before that. And not bad at all. Not bad at all. All right, we got the old light here. Looks the coolest, but it's broken. And we got the old one, other one. This one's just clapped. Can't really restore that, or I can, but I mean, if you can get like a little upgrade, change, and it's a fix, and it's like the same as a kit restore, like you might as well just give it a shot. But yeah. All right, good news. Both of the lights work. I was just testing them out real quick, and that's great. Boom, 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 boom. Next thing is probably some spacers on here. I don't know. I also put trim restore on the plastic on the outside. It's honestly made a big difference. Speed the spoiler. But yeah, some spacers on here, and I think that would be the finishing touch for a nice looking car. I don't think I gotta do too much to these. It's already pretty beautiful. Alright, so this is the whip. We got the lights installed out in a well-lit parking lot. It is nighttime, but I think it looked the same in the day. But I gotta say, it did do a decent job at changing it up. Pretty proud of this. But yeah.